Ah, the tomato, the jewel of the summer garden. Few sights are as rewarding as a vine laden with ripe, juicy tomatoes. The moment you lay eyes on that vibrant red bounty, a sense of accomplishment washes over you. It's a feeling only a gardener truly understands. There's a certain magic to harvesting your own tomatoes. So grab your baskets, put on your gardening gloves, and let's head out to the garden. Now, before we get too carried away with the excitement of the harvest, let's talk about picking the perfect tomato. Timing, my friends, is everything. A ripe tomato will have a deep, rich color and a slight give when gently squeezed. Trust your nose. A ripe tomato will have a distinctly sweet and earthy fragrance. Harvesting tomatoes at their peak ripeness ensures the most flavor and enjoyment. We've picked our perfectly ripe tomatoes, each one bursting with flavor and nutrients straight from the vine. Now it's time to get them ready for market, where they'll be the star of the show. Gently rinse each tomato under cool, running water. This step is crucial to remove any dirt or residue that might be clinging to the skin. Use your hands to gently rub the surface of the tomatoes, ensuring they're sparkling clean. Be careful not to bruise them, as tomatoes are quite delicate. Once they're clean, lay your tomatoes on a clean kitchen towel to air dry. This helps to maintain their freshness and prevents any excess moisture from causing spoilage. While they're drying, you can start sorting them by size and variety. This makes it easier for customers to choose the perfect tomato for their needs, whether it's for a salad, sauce, or sandwich. For transporting, use shallow baskets or trays lined with a soft cloth or paper towels. This provides a cushion and helps to absorb any excess moisture. Carefully place the tomatoes in the cushioned baskets, arranging them so they don't touch each other too much. This will cushion the tomatoes and prevent them from getting squashed during transport. We want our tomatoes to arrive at the market in pristine condition, ready to impress potential buyers. A well-presented tomato not only looks appealing, but also speaks volumes about the care and effort put into growing and preparing it. When customers see our beautifully arranged tomatoes, they'll know they're getting the best quality produce. This attention to detail can make all the difference in ensuring a successful market day. So, take pride in your preparation and watch as your tomatoes become the highlight of the market, drawing in customers with their vibrant color and impeccable presentation. Section 4. Presentation is key attracting customers. To stand out from the crowd, you need to make your stall as inviting and appealing as possible. This means paying attention to every detail, from the arrangement of your produce to the overall aesthetic of your stall. Start by arranging your tomatoes in an eye-catching display. Group them by variety and color to create a visually appealing pattern. Don't forget about signage. A clear and legible sign stating the name of your farm or garden, along with the type and price of your tomatoes, is essential. Use bright colors and large fonts to ensure your sign is easily readable from a distance. A friendly smile and a welcoming demeanor can go a long way in attracting customers. Engage with them, offer samples, and be ready to answer any questions they might have about your produce. Building a rapport with your customers can turn a one-time buyer into a loyal patron. Section 5. The market experience. Sharing the bounty. The market is more than just a place to sell your produce, it's a community gathering. Embrace the opportunity to interact with your customers, sharing your knowledge and love of gardening. Share your expertise generously, offering advice on choosing ripe tomatoes, storing them properly, and even some of your favorite ways to enjoy them. A little taste can go a long way in convincing them to make a purchase. Section 6. From garden to table, cooking with fresh tomatoes. There's something truly magical about the journey of a tomato from the garden to your table. There's nothing quite like the taste of a perfectly ripe, homegrown tomato. The vibrant color, the firm yet tender texture, and the burst of flavor with every bite make it a standout ingredient in any dish. One of the simplest and most satisfying ways to enjoy fresh tomatoes is in their purest form, raw. Whether you're slicing them for a quick snack or adding them to a dish, their natural flavor shines through. Slice them thick for a juicy tomato sandwich, layering them with fresh greens, a sprinkle of salt, and a drizzle of olive oil for a delightful, refreshing bite. Dice them into a refreshing salad, combining them with crisp cucumbers, red onions, and a tangy vinaigrette for a burst of summer in every forkful. Or toss them with some mozzarella and basil for a classic caprese salad. The combination of creamy cheese, fragrant basil, and juicy tomatoes is a timeless favorite. For those who prefer a bit of heat, roasting tomatoes brings out their natural sweetness and intensifies their flavor. Simply drizzle them with olive oil, sprinkle with salt and pepper, and roast until they're caramelized and tender. And of course, no discussion about cooking with fresh tomatoes would be complete without mentioning the classic tomato sauce. Simmering fresh tomatoes with garlic, onions, and herbs creates a rich, flavorful sauce that can be used in a variety of dishes. The joy of growing your own tomatoes extends far beyond the garden. It's about the satisfaction of nurturing a plant from seed to harvest, the pleasure of sharing your bounty with family and friends, and the simple delight of enjoying a meal made with ingredients you've grown yourself. Fresh tomatoes are more than just a food. They're a celebration of nature's bounty and the joy of home gardening.